Hi everybody, welcome back to Sunday Cook with me and to my new kitchen. Today we're going to be working on a savory side. The holiday season is coming up and there's a couple of meals that are involved in that, along with maybe some Friendsgivings and so on. So I'm going to be making a Jiffy corn casserole. Now, I would imagine a lot of you have made Jiffy corn casseroles. They're very good. But I found a Pinterest recipe that is a little bit different. And it's almost like a Tex-Mex cornbread casserole. So I'm going to be making that one today. It has quite a few ingredients, but truthfully, it's a dump and go, with the exception of one step of sauteing some peppers and onions. So I'm going to take you down to the counter and we're going to do I'm going to call it Tex-Mex Jiffy corn casserole. And I will show you what you're going to need for ingredients. So give me a second and I'll be right back. Corn, green chilies, pimentos, peppers and onions, cornbread muffin mix, eggs, sour cream, and cheese, cheddar cheese. Okay, so let's get started with making the Jiffy corn mix, Tex-Mex Jiffy corn casserole. Right there. Okay, I'm going to start with the onion and pepper, and it calls for one whole large onion. So we'll get that chopped up. And the butter is melting in the pan. And we're going to put these right in and saute them for about 5 minutes. Now, this calls for a 9 by 12 pan. The one I have, I think, is 8 by 11. So what I'll probably have to do is cook it a little longer than the recipe says. Let me get the onion in the pan. Now we'll do half this pepper. And my hands are clean. If you see black on them, it's pimento tuxedo black ink. I've been working on the Christmas cards. And I do have some ink on me. As you can see, Let's see, can you see? Over there. Okay, while that's going, we're going to put the rest of the stuff in a bowl. We're going to have eggs, corn muffin mix, the green chiles, and I got mild. You can get your green chilies according to your heat level of desired. Whole corn, and the whole corn is not drained. Cream corn, and pimento peppers. Now the pimento peppers I have, move this over here, are sliced and they want to be chopped, so just give me a second. Alrighty. Add those in. And chicken colorado. Let me check. Okay. Let's mix this up. Give my onions a little stir. Okay, I'm going to add the onions to this. Stir it around. I greased my dish. One second. Okay, now it says to just take your sour cream and drop it on the top. And it's calling for a pint of sour cream. Got to open another one. And I forgot to preheat my oven, so I'm going to do that right now to 350. So I'll have to wait until this preheats before I can put stuff in it. I think that's all the sour cream I'm going to put in. And then it calls for a cup of shredded cheese on the top. And like I said, this is considerably more complicated than the normal Jiffy casserole. But if you're making a special occasion dish, sometimes you want a little bit something different. This is a 2-cup package, so I'm going to use half of it. It looks as if it's going to be delicious, actually. And it says to bake in the preheated oven until the casserole is firm, and it says 45 minutes. It is going to be according to when my casserole is firm because I did not use the bigger dish. So I'm going to put it in the oven and I'll bring you back when it's time to take it out. Back in a bit. Well, here it is right out of the oven, and it is firm. But it, I'm sure, like any dish that is thickens with egg, it has to set for a little bit. So I'm not going to even attempt to cut into it for a few minutes. But it certainly does look nice, doesn't it? Now I will put the original cornbread recipe down in the description for those of you who just want that one. I did a video on that, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below. But let's let this set for a little bit, and I'll be back and see if I can give you a taste test. Let's see if I can get a taste. Hot. That is so good. It is sweet because Jiffy corn mix is sweet and creamed corn is sweet. Delicious. Oh my gosh. This would be perfect with any kind of a straight protein. And by straight protein, I mean turkey, chicken, baked chicken, pork chops, anything like that. It's good with anything. But if you're having a casserole, there's already a lot of richness there. So that is absolutely a keeper. And it's not spicy. Just has a nice pepper, onion, and cheese flavor. It's excellent. Give it a try. And I'll see you again with a craft video. Sorry I didn't have one this week because I'm trying to finish up my Christmas cards. And I only have about 7 more to go. So as soon as I get this video up, I'm going to try to finish up the Christmas cards and get them ready to go in the mail if I get my stamps. So I will see you again shortly, and then we'll be back to making another Christmas wreath. Until then, everybody have a great afternoon. Stay safe, stay warm, stay cool, whichever it is you need. Play by the rules. And everybody play nice now. Love you. Bye-bye.